Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation focuses on DTC P084F, which stands for Parking Position Signal Circuit. This error code pertains to vehicles, including the Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. The issue involves a malfunction that affects the electronic transmission system connected to the parking position signal. This is crucial for the proper functioning of the vehicle's automatic transmission system, as it ensures that the vehicle can effectively transition between gear positions, particularly between park and neutral. A failure in this circuit can lead to various operational problems and may affect vehicle safety and drivability. Understanding the wiring and connections between the components involved is vital for accurate diagnostics. The Parking Position Signal Circuit error code P084F indicates a problem connected to the Automatic Transmission Control Module, TCM, and the Body Control Module, BCM. The circuit's primary function is to relay the vehicle's gear selection status, which determines whether the car can transition smoothly from park to neutral or drive. The TCM, located usually near the transmission, interprets this signal to manage the transmission based on input from several sensors. The BCM, also located within the vehicle's central wiring harness, handles this input to coordinate with other systems. If there's an issue with the circuit, either due to faulty wiring or component failure, it can disrupt the entire transmission system, possibly risking operational safety. The possible causes for DTC P084F specifically include faulty wiring connections that may prevent signals from properly transmitting between the TCM and BCM. An open circuit in the parkout/ATPP wire can interrupt communication, indicating the system's state to the TCM. This disruption can lead to incorrect gear shifts or a failure to shift altogether. A short to ground in this wire could also cause faulty readings or signal interruptions, which would trigger the DTC. Additionally, poor connections or loose terminals between the TCM and the BCM must be thoroughly inspected, as they can contribute to the malfunction. When dealing with DTC P084F, several symptoms may manifest within the vehicle's operation. Users might observe warning lights on the dashboard, signifying that there's an issue affecting the transmission system. Additionally, the vehicle may experience difficulties when attempting to shift between gears, particularly from park to neutral or vice versa. Consequently, intermittent performance issues may arise, where the transmission reacts unpredictably or fails to operate effectively. Other indicators may include strange noises from the transmission area, delays in gear changes, or complete failure to shift at all, prompting the necessity for immediate diagnosis. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P084F involves verifying the problem with the vehicle in on mode. Using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, clear the DTC to reset the system. After clearing the DTC, start the engine and shift the transmission into the neutral N position while pressing the brake pedal. It is crucial to monitor for any pending or confirmed DTCs that may reappear in the system using HDS. If P084F is indicated, then the failure is confirmed, suggesting a persistent issue. If not, check for intermittent failures, which may be indicative of poor wiring or connections. For the second troubleshooting step, ensure the vehicle is turned off or in lock mode before proceeding. Disconnect the connectors from the Transmission Control Module, TCM, and the Body Control Module, BCM, to isolate the circuit. This action is necessary to check for continuity in the parkout ATPP wire, which connects these two modules. With TCM connector A 23P and BCM connector A 66P disconnected, you will need to verify continuity between specific test points. If the continuity test indicates the park-out ATPP wire is not open, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. If continuity is absent, repair any detected openings in the wire. In the third step of troubleshooting, focus on the examination for shorted wiring in the park-out ATPP line. Disconnect the power seat control unit connector, ensuring the vehicle remains in the off or lock mode. This step is crucial as it removes additional variables that could affect the circuit continuity test. Again, verify continuity between the TCM connector A, 23P, and the body ground. If continuity is present, then a short to ground is diagnosed in the park-out ATPP wire. Correcting this issue will involve repair of the wiring between the body control module and the TCM. If continuity is absent, it indicates that the wire is functioning properly, allowing you to proceed to the next diagnostic step. The fourth troubleshooting step requires reconnecting the previously disconnected connectors one at a time to identify any shorted units. This method involves monitoring for continuity between the TCM connector A, 23P, and body ground after each reconnection. The objective is to determine if reconnecting any specific module triggers a short circuit. If continuity is detected after reconnecting a connector, it indicates that the associated unit may be defective, necessitating its replacement. If there's no continuity prompted by the reconnected connectors, the modules are assumed fine. At this stage, review any authorized service information relevant to the DTC, or substitute the TCM with a known good unit for further checks. After completing the repairs for DTC P084F, it is crucial to perform final verification steps to ensure that the issue has been resolved. Start by running the diagnostic tests using the Auto Diagnostics System HDS to check if the DTC has been cleared and does not reappear. This verification ensures that the wiring repairs or component replacements were successful. Following this diagnostic verification, take the vehicle for a test drive to ensure proper operation of the transmission system. Pay close attention to the transmission's shifting behavior, ensuring that it shifts smoothly through all gears. If P084F does not return and all functions perform normally, the issue is resolved. Engaging in preventive maintenance is essential in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P084F. Regularly check and inspect the wiring associated with the park-out/ATPP circuit for any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. Attention should also be given to the connectors, which should be inspected for any cracks, looseness, or signs of shorting. Following the manufacturer's recommended service intervals helps maintain the overall health of the transmission system and associated electrical components. Furthermore, performing routine software updates for the vehicle's control modules can enhance their performance and reliability. Keeping up with regular maintenance minimizes the risk of unexpected issues arising in the future. In summary, DTC P084F reflects a critical issue related to the parking position signal circuit, primarily impacting the automatic transmission's function. Successfully diagnosing this code requires a step-by-step approach, starting with problem verification, followed by continuity tests to isolate the issue. Possible causes include faulty wiring, shorts, or defective modules, which must be addressed to ensure vehicle safety and operational effectiveness. Regular preventive maintenance and inspections can significantly reduce the likelihood of recurrence. By maintaining vigilance during regular vehicle upkeep, owners of the Honda Accord from 2017 to 2023 can ensure their vehicles remain reliable and safe to operate. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.